What is up, everybody? Jason, aka Jester, and today I decided, what the hell? Let's get back to my roots and let's do something a little bit nutty. So what we did is we went out and we bought a bag of the 13 to 15 raw shrimp. If you don't know what this number means, it basically just means the number per pound. So these are going to be just a little over an ounce, 16 ounces is a pound. From there, we're going to take them and peel them, put them in a real lime juice for about a day, and let them soak. When they come out of that, we're going to put them in a little bit of prosciutto, and as we skewer them and grill them, we're going to hit it with just a little bit of this pollen or all fruit. It's going to be such a sick flavor. I cannot wait to get into this. As far as the shrimp go, I love these things because if you buy them right, they come with this split, so it makes them really, really easy to shell. All you basically have to do is peel it back until you get to the tail, and you just pull that part off. Put that back up so you still got the tail on. That one's ready to go and soak. Let me get all that done. I'll be back with the prosciutto here in just a sec. And now that we've waited a full day with our shrimp soaking in the lime juice, I wanted to show you one quick thing, and this was expected. The citric acid in the lime juice has actually started to cook these. You can see the different color there. These aren't completely raw anymore, so this will make it a little bit quicker even on the grill. As far as the prosciutto is concerned, I took it and I cut it down the middle into strips. And that should make it real easy just to kind of roll this right on here, right around the shrimp, like so. What we're going to do is I've got these 6-inch Bamboo skewers here. We're going to probably put 2 or 3 per on this, and then I will put them on the grill. I'll show you guys that going on, and then I'll show you the cherry stuff going on there as well. And there we are. We're rolling about just a little above medium heat on these. I kind of want to get them done quick. We're going to be keeping a really close eye on them. I don't want anything to scorch. We didn't actually have enough prosciutto for all of them, but this is going to be fine. It just won't have the saltiness on that one. The other 4 look amazing. I'll be right back and show you the cherry going on after the first flip. So now that we went ahead and flipped them over the first time, we're going to go ahead and apply to that cooked side some of this nice cherry. And again, this is the pollen or all fruit. It's not the same as a jelly, but it's pretty close. What we want to have happen here is for everything to kind of tack up on this side, cook the other side, and then what we're going to do is we're going to flip them one more time, apply a little more cherry to the other side, and then these babies are going to be done after that tacks up. I can't wait to try these. I'll show you guys when, right here on the finishing table in just a second. And after just 10 minutes or less on the grill, these things are ready to go. Just look at the wonderful, wonderful color that you get on these. I cannot wait to eat these. This is going to have such an interesting pop of flavor. It's going to be a sweet, there's going to be a salt, there's going to be a kind of a tartness to it. Just awesome. And I can't believe that I didn't come up with this idea any sooner. Hopefully you guys like this kind of content. I've been trying to keep this short for you. If you do, leave me a comment below and let me know that you're appreciating it, or let me know if you want to go back to the longer stuff, more tutorial type thing. I'm down for whatever you guys want to see. Hopefully I earned your subscription today, and as always, I hope you liked the video. Till next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.